Today I want to share one of my favorite flowers to grow in the garden, and that is zinnias. And right here we have all of our different zinnias growing up and down these rows. Zinnias are such a showstopper in the garden. They're big and they're beautiful. They're great for cut flowers in vases and bouquets. And that's why I love to grow a lot of zinnias, because I can use them all summer in flower arrangements. And I recommend zinnias to beginner gardeners because you're going to feel successful. You're going to get a big bang for your effort, and you're going to fall in love with growing flowers when you grow zinnias. Zinnias prefer the soil to be a little bit warm, so you want to wait a couple of weeks after your average last frost. And we waited until the end of May to plant these. Now you could also start them indoors in a grow station and just let them get like about 3 inches tall and transplant them out in the garden. But they do so well when you direct sow them that I just preferred to do it that way, because it's one less step that I have to do. But if you wanted to have blooms even earlier, then you could definitely start them in the grow station. Just make sure your zinnias have, water a couple times a week, depending on how hot it is. And you can go along and thin them out if they're planted too closely. You can also pinch them off when they're pretty small, and that will help them bush out and you'll have even more flowers. On our planter's planner on our library, you can type in your zip code, and based on where you live, it will give you an indoor start date or an outdoor start date of when to start your seeds. That will help you be successful. So be sure to check out this great tool that we have. Take a look at all of the beautiful zinnias you can grow in your garden as well. I love growing zinnias. They're such a fun, easy flower that bloom all summer long. They tolerate the heat, which is really nice, and you'll have blooms clear up until your first frost date in the fall. If you're looking for an abundance of flowers, zinnias are my go-to choice. We have lots of colors and all these different varieties, and they really are a low-maintenance plant, which is my favorite thing about them. If you found this video helpful on growing zinnias, we would love for you to like it and subscribe. And if you're looking for more information, check out our planter's library on our website. We have articles on how to grow anything you would want to grow in your garden.